For today's video, I'm talking all about the Numbuzin, I hope I'm saying that right, but it is their number 5 Goodbye Blemish Serum, and then also their number 5 Daily Multivitamin Cream. I have been testing these out for almost a month now. I figured it would be helpful if I gave you all the details about these, what they claim to do, and from the perspective of somebody who has a combination skin and somebody who is prone to acne, somebody who deals with dark spots and does deal with active breakouts every once in a while. So I just wanted to share with you my overall experience with these, if I think they work, if they are worth the hype. I originally saw a lot of people reviewing these, I think like a year ago, and it made me purchase these. And I started using the number 5 serum quite a while ago, but for some reason I used it for like a week, I think, and then I stopped using it. I think I must have been excited to try a different product at that time, and so I had stopped using it, not because I didn't like this, but because I was excited to try a different product. So I didn't have a full bottle of this when I started using this again, so I wasn't able to use it for as long for this demo to show you results. I haven't been using this for like 2 months, but I have been using it for almost a month. I think a little bit over 3 weeks is what I've been able to get out of this, and now it is basically completely gone. But I just wanted to make that clear that you can definitely get more than just 3.5 weeks out of this. It's just that I had used it a bit before trying it again as of more recently. So just wanted to put that out there. So let's start with the claims of the number 5 Goodbye Serum. So this is supposed to, of course, target blemishes, but also target post-acne marks. They say it's supposed to help with brightening the skin tone, help with fading dark spots, hyperpigmentation, freckles, and marks. It's supposed to restore moisture and even the skin tone. This does have a very nice gel texture, so if you have oily or combination skin, you might prefer a serum that is going to be very kind of lightweight feeling on the skin. I feel like gel texture is something that I personally really love for my combination skin, and for somebody prone to acne, it's just a really nice, more lightweight texture, I feel like. And this is very soothing, definitely has a cooling feeling to it when you apply it to your skin. Kind of feels like you're just applying a really nice, calming skincare product. And if you do have any active blemishes, this is going to help with soothing them and calming them down a lot quicker than I think they would otherwise. This has a 75% vitamin extract from sea buckthorn, which is a plant that is found in Europe and Asia, and the leaves and flowers, seeds, and fruits from this plant are often used as a medicine, and it is traditionally used to slow down the aging process. So that is one of the main ingredients that they have in here, is that sea buckthorn extract. So I will share with you guys my before and after pictures from just using it for 3 weeks, but again, I don't really have the best before and after pictures just because you would need to use a product longer term to notice more obvious results. I think it's always good to test a product out for, I would say, at least a month, but honestly I feel like more so results are going to be seen after 2 to 3 months of use. So that's what I would normally recommend to really see more obvious results from a product. With this, I definitely noticed when I was using this that it definitely helped to prevent blemishes, and if I did get any breakouts, I do feel like it helped to heal them a lot quicker than they normally would if I was using some other products. So I do think that this helped to speed up the process of any blemishes that I did get, and it was just overall so soothing and calming to the skin. So I just felt like my skin was really able to kind of keep blemishes at bay. It doesn't have any obvious scent, so that is nice. I never really want added fragrance in my skincare products, especially ones for my face. So I really enjoyed this. As far as it helping with evening out the skin tone, again, I was only able to test this out for 3.5 weeks. I really can't tell you as far as if it really helped to fade acne marks, but I honestly feel like if I use this longer term, maybe it would. But it is supposed to do that. That is definitely one of the main claims that they make, is that it is supposed to help with fading post-acne marks. But overall, I do really like this, and if you are prone to acne and you want just a really nice, simple, calming serum to help prevent blemishes, heal blemishes faster, and then also can help with evening out the skin tone over time, then I definitely think this would be worth checking out. And then on to the number 5 daily multivitamin cream. So this is supposed to be actually extra good when you combine it with the number 5 Goodbye Blemish Serum. So just keep that in mind. I did start using these together and using this again also for about 3.5 weeks. This cream is enriched with 22 types of vitamins and 27 nutrients. It also has cacao plum extract, niacinamide, and alpha bisabol to help with brightening the skin, strengthening the skin, and then also reducing any skin irritation. And then of course it is supposed to also help with deeply moisturizing the skin. While I do think this is a very nice moisturizer, I definitely feel like I prefer gel-like moisturizers often, or something that really melts into the skin super fast. And not to say that this does not sink into the skin well, because it does. It still is a very, very nice moisturizer. I really have enjoyed it. I don't think it causes any breakouts. I think that my skin really does respond well to this. However, I do think I prefer a more light, this is almost a thicker type of moisturizer than what I typically really enjoy with my combination acne prone skin. However, it's not a super thick moisturizer, but it is more like a cream texture, given the name, it says cream in it. So it is still lightweight. I'm not saying it's heavy, but it definitely is heavier feeling on the skin than for example, a gel moisturizer, of course. But I just wanted to mention that because I definitely do have other moisturizers that I have really enjoyed more for my combination acne prone skin, but this is still nice. It's gonna be very moisturizing. I have enjoyed this for the winter because my skin does tend to be a little bit more dry during the winter, and I like combining it with this serum because they say that's how you're gonna get the best results. They also say that this has yellow vitamin capsules to help with deeply hydrating the skin. It does melt into the skin nicely. It doesn't melt into the skin as quickly as some other products that I use, but if you use like a facial mist or something, that will help the product to absorb into the skin better. But this also has 2% vitamin B5 and vitamin E to help with soothing sensitive skin. So really both of these products combined, they are going to help with soothing the skin. They're going to be great if you are prone to acne and if your skin is just sensitive. Like it says, it's supposed to help with soothing sensitive skin. And this is a daily multivitamin cream, so I believe this is kind of supposed to help with evening out the skin tone a little bit. I mean, it does have niacinamide in here, which is an ingredient that can often be helpful with fading post-acne marks. So using these together would definitely be a great way to fade post-acne marks over time, but it's going to be a gradual process. These products are very gentle. They're not going to be very intense because again, they are good for sensitive skin. So definitely over time, I think you would probably be able to see fading of post-acne marks, but again, I think you need to try them for quite a good amount of time first. I'd say 2 to 3 months to notice more really obvious results. But overall, I am very impressed by these. I have really enjoyed these. I saw a lot of videos, and I think there are a lot of sponsored videos out there, and I was honestly wondering if the products were really that good or if they were being overhyped. People that I saw posting about these products already had pretty clear skin, and at least that's what it looked like. So I was wondering how that would compare to somebody who actually does deal with acne. As you'll see from my pictures, like I do get breakouts here and then, and I do have post-acne marks. Obviously, some people do have it worse than me. I have been through a whole journey with clearing my skin, so definitely my skin is doing great right now compared to how it used to be. But I feel like a lot of the reviews were people who their skin just already looked really clear. So it was kind of hard to really see results based on that. But I have enjoyed these, and I do think that they do work nicely, very gentle, and great if you are prone to acne. I definitely would recommend them if you are interested in checking them out and you do have acne prone skin. Obviously, I wouldn't say that they're like game changer, totally different than any other products that I've tried before, but I would honestly be interested in repurchasing this one and trying this one out again for a longer period of time. This one is a nice cream, but I do again have other moisturizers that I like better than this one, so I probably won't repurchase this one. Not to say this isn't a good moisturizer, it is nice, but that's just my thoughts. But anyway, if you guys are interested in checking these out, I will have both of these listed and linked in the description box below. If you guys do have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments. If you guys have tried these, I would love to know your thoughts about them. Did they work for you? Did they not work for you? What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up. And if you would like to see even more content from me in the future, I would absolutely love it if you would go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more of my Korean skincare reviews, definitely check out my Korean skincare playlist. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching, and hope to see you for my next video.